What's up, babes? It's your girl Shescherylnicole, and today I'm back with another video. Guys, as you can see, I have tried my very first frontal install wig. Guys, I'm so excited, and if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned and watch this video until its entirety. Before we start, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. But yeah, let's get into it. First, this is the packaging, guys. They did ship my wig express, which meant 1-day air, and I received my wig fairly quickly, and I'm so excited about that. First hair review on my YouTube channel, and guys, I shop with Unice or Unicehair. And listen, let's just get into the unpackaging of this. This is the box that it came in, and we're just gonna get it open. Frontal Wig, 20 inches, 13 by Frontal Wig, yeah, 20 inches. As you can see, it's the body wave, not the body wave, but the deep wave or wig and wave look. It already came with like the pre-plucked baby hairs, but of course I'm gonna put my own touch onto that. And yeah, let's just get into styling or installing this wig. So now, guys, I'm basically just taking the wig and taking the clips that they had placed on the frontal or the lace. They had some foam to basically protect it, so I guess it wouldn't rip. As you can see, it already came with pre-made baby hairs, and this is what the stocking cap underneath looks like before you add any tint or like makeup or anything like that. And of course, this lace will be too light for me, so I will need to darken it just so that I can make sure that it matches my skin tone and it can comes off as scalp. Guys, this is tint spray that most hairstylists use, or some hairstylists use, on lace front wigs or just closure wigs if they are trying to skip the bleaching process of the knots. Guys, unfortunately, I did not get the right color because this guy just told me, he was like, oh yeah, it'll work, but please get medium brown if you are around my skin complexion. As you can see, I am just combing those baby hairs back so that I won't get any dye on them, but unfortunately, you know, things just happen. So as you can see, I'm attempting to use this tint, and as you can see, as I'm applying it, it is too light. Like, it will still be basically the same color that the lace originally came, and that's not what I was looking for. I needed something darker, so I soon realized that this wasn't going to work, and I went and got my foundation and my foundation brush, and I'm just going to apply a little on this brush just so I can apply it to the lace and it can melt into my skin perfectly, matching my complexion and just giving the all-around natural look. Guys, unfortunately, some of the makeup did come through and get onto the lace or the hairs where they would be considered baby hairs, but all I did was basically comb it, and as I work with the wig I am going to basically just comb that makeup out. So guys, as you can see, I'm starting my ball cap method. I'm just using what I had at home, which is the Got to Be glue and the spray. Guys, my hair is not braided under this cap because I do not know how to scalp braid, but for future videos I will get somebody to braid my hair down. But for now we're just using a technique that I know and that's more effective for me, just being at home and not having anybody to braid my hair at the moment. So guys, I basically have the cap on and I'm trying to secure the perimeter of my head by just spraying that Got to Be spray on there. And I am going to follow up with the Got to Be gel. Guys, eventually I am going to purchase the glue that they use, that you see them applying like the little dots around the perimeter of the head or at the edge of the ball cap. But just for now, we're just going to use what we have at home. So this is very home friendly, and that I know of, every girl has like Got to Be glue or some type of gel or glue that will hold their stocking caps down so that they can install a wig. Guys, I'm basically just pressing this into my hairline, just moving it back so I can make sure that all of my hairs underneath the wig is protected and so that they won't get in the way once I am starting to cut that frontal. So we're just gonna finish this step and I'm just gonna come back and explain more later in the video. and you don't want that, because once you pull that lace forward, you want everything to blend in. So try to cut as much as possible. That's why it's super duper important for you to make sure that underneath the wig cap, all of your natural hairs are brushed completely back and out of the way. Later on in the video, you guys will see that some of my hair in the cap was kind of giving me a hard time on my right side, I believe. And you just have to basically from that point play around with it. And guys, as you can see, I'm going ahead and starting the actual ball cap method, which is I'm taking my foundation brush and I am going to apply that foundation all over the front half of this wig, just so that everything will blend together once I apply the frontal and pull it down and get ready to secure it. As you can see, it's blending in pretty good. And I hate that I didn't cut the cap more before applying the lace. But once you get it, you're going to get it on and you're basically going to play around with it to the best of your ability and make sure that everything is placed correctly in the right position that you would like it. Ladies, once you begin to cut that lace and you probably noticed some pieces that didn't lay as flat as you would like them to, you can always get your glue and just put a little bit on your finger or on the tip of the comb and basically just rub it into that lace just to make it melt even more. But don't forget that you are going to tie your lace down, or the edge of the lace down, with a elastic band or whatever you desire to use, just so that it can give that melt effect. Always lay them back down, but you just want to make sure that you are leaving enough hair to work with, and so your edges won't be looking so thin, or there won't be too much of a gap in between your hairline and your edges. Listen, so excited. So I'm just gonna stop rambling and just let you guys finish watching this video.